So what are we doing today?
We're going to this puzzle that we bought because it's a pirate ship, and I figured it could be a little good display thing on like one of the tables for our wedding, like when you pick up your little card to tell you where you sit and stuff. That looked fun and cool, and since we still can't go anywhere, why not, right?
This is one of these like 3D puzzles. So like, I don't know. It's a 3D puzzle.
If it goes well, we'll buy the treasure chest that they have, and they have a shark, and they have an elephant, and they have some Disney ones too. That looks pretty cool.
It's a dragon too.
Yeah,
It's
the
a dragon.
dragon one looks really cool too. The purple one especially. Gives me Maleficent vibes. But if this goes terribly wrong, we're never touching this again. Or buying the other one. So it's gonna be either really good or really bad.
Let's see what fun. I already messed up the joke.
You did. Okay. Let's go to the puzzle. But John, how'd you like that puzzle that you destroyed?
That puzzle.
So it was really hard.
It was just stupidly difficult for a number of reasons. So like, the pieces don't link together like a normal Lego piece would.
No, they're all floppy and
Not floppy. It's like they don't exactly fit because they're like plastic pieces that are made to look like puzzle pieces. So they look like a notch would fit into a siding, but it would like wiggle around, so it was all loose and
wiggle was the word, not floppy.
Yeah.
That was the word.
and just the crystalline structure of it. Like in this picture, it looks super great, but like each one of these pieces has like several levels of a puzzle piece attached to it. So it's not like you work one piece at a time. You have to work with like 2 or 3 at a time.
The only like stable part was the staircase, and that was about it. And I don't know why that was the only stable part, because you would think the rest of the puzzle would be stable, but it was not.
It was very difficult to work with and manage and just even build on top of itself in a 3D fashion.
Yeah. So, needless to say, this will not be at our wedding on display because we probably will never try this again.
Not a good display piece unless like you know exactly how every piece fits and you super glue everything together.
Yeah.
So it does not move.
Yeah. So.
Without that, it will literally just fall apart just by touching it.
Mm-hmm. As you can tell by John destroying it at the end.
That was not me.
That was you. That was not me. I was going to try a little bit more, but you. Yeah.
Oh yeah, sure. I think you gave up.
So, we do not recommend this, unless you are like super genius, have a lot of time on your hands.
I think it's super genius. Just the patience. Like I would say, I have a lot of patience, but like for this thing, it's obnoxiously stupid.
Mm-hmm.
It's just stupid.
We'll stick to regular puzzles.
The end.